welcome back to my channel and a very happy new year to you. So today's video I am super excited for. I'm probably the most excited that I've ever been because I'm unboxing something very special for you, which you can already see in the title. This particular bag is something that I've had my eye on for a while, and I'm super excited that I finally got it, and I'm going to open it for you guys today and give you my first impressions and a little review. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Coach bag. First of all, Coach is doing amazing on their packaging. How beautiful is this? It is absolutely stunning with the little bow, and I'm just so happy that it came in this box because it makes it so much more fun to unbox. So let's get into it now. I might save the box, so I'm going to see if I can take off the ribbon without undoing it. There we go. Alright, and it comes with this little thing, and it just says thank you for shopping at Coach, which is very nice. I gotta say that the shipping for this was incredible. It came super fast. I ordered it after the deadline for Christmas, and it actually came today's Christmas Eve when I'm filming this, so incredible shipping times, I must say. And inside is also packaged very cute with the little stickers, so I'm going to open this up. And then, of course, it comes in the little dust bag. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get this opened. Oh my gosh, you guys. Is this not the cutest bag you've ever seen in your life? Oh my goodness, you guys. That's the back, this is the front. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. So this is the Disney x Coach Minnie Mouse Kisslock bag, and I got it in white, and I've had my eye on this for such a long time. I've wanted this bag, but it was way too expensive. It was $550 original Canadian, which is crazy. I would never spend that regular on a bag. But it started to go on sale, so it went on sale for $330. And I was like, I'll wait a little bit longer till I get my next paycheck, and then I'm gonna buy it. As soon as I got my next paycheck, the price got lowered to $275, so 50% off the original price, and I was so happy, except for the bag sold out. And I was so sad, but I kept checking back on the website because I was so sad and I didn't want to let the bag go, and it actually came up saying, 2 available, only 2 available. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to buy it. So I kept trying to buy it, but my order wouldn't go through. So I actually had to phone them, and they placed my order, and I actually got my hands on this bag, and I'm so happy. It's so cute. Have you ever seen a bag that screams Kaitlyn more? Because I haven't. The colors, the little Kisslock at the top, it looks really vintage, but at the same time it's so Disney and princessy, and I absolutely adore it. I also love this detail. It looks like another little bow, because Minnie Mouse always has her bow, so this is so cute. It's not a very big purse, it's just tiny. It feels really nice. The leather's really sturdy. It's not going to bend or anything. Oh, it's so gorgeous. The little flowers are actually, like, you can feel them on there. They're pressed into it, and then the little flowers, the borders are made of glitter there. So really fantastic and well-made bag. And of course it has the little Coach tag on it. So now I'm gonna open it up. Alright, so it has 2 little compartments in the Kisslock. I'm just gonna take the tissue out. Oh, there's a lot of tissue. Okay, so this is the first compartment. Really nice. Oh, more packages. Everything's getting delivered on Christmas Eve. That might also be for me because I'm still missing one gift. I didn't order it last minute. I actually ordered it a month ago, but they lost my original package. And then this is the second compartment. So let me just take this stuff out of it once again. Now, I was worried about the size because everyone was saying how small this bag was. It doesn't even fit their cell phones, but honestly, it looks like a good enough size for me. If you can see inside, it's got the little Coach tag inside of it, which is beautiful. And inside, it also came with this little gold brass type of strap to turn it into a crossbody. So let's try that right now. Oh, you guys, this is probably the cutest bag that I've ever owned. It's gorgeous. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Whenever I'm not using this, this is just going to kind of sit on my bookshelf too as a decoration because it is stunning, really. So now I'm going to see if I can fit my phone into this. So I'm actually using my phone to film right now, but I took off the case. So I've got the case here, so I'm going to try to see if I can fit the case into it. And if I can fit the case, my phone should be able to fit no problem. So let's see. Okay, it doesn't fit in the first compartment really. Let me try the second. So it does kind of stick out a little bit, but I have a really big case. So this is the OtterBox case, so it's really big and really thick. I think that if I take the case off, my phone would fit in here no problem and I'd be able to put it sideways. I just don't want to damage the leather in any way. But yeah, I do think that this is the most adorable little bag that I've ever owned, and I have to give Coach credit. They're really having a moment with their bags. I've never ordered a Coach bag before, but when I was looking on the website, I was like, wow, they have some really pretty bags on here. Like, they really are gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna keep them on my radar, and I'll definitely pay attention to their new releases, especially from the Disney collection, because they have the most beautiful girly princessy things. I absolutely love it, and this bag is just the best thing ever. I'm so happy that I decided to buy this and that I managed to get it even after it sold out. The one little complaint that I do have is that I actually ordered a little complimentary card case with it that you're supposed to get when you spend over $250, and it seems that they forgot to send that, and I'm not surprised because after I ordered it, when they sent me the confirmation, it wasn't on there. So I'm not really surprised that I didn't get it, but I kind of wish I did just because my actual wallet won't fit in here, so it would have been nice to have a little card holder. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have to say about this bag. It's me in a bag. It's beautiful, it looks vintagey, it looks princessy, and I think it is stunning. But you guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, which I'll leave linked down below. And until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!